Hello guys, welcome to my channel Trading Chart Patterns. So last day we analyzed this stock Bandhan Bank and we found the support of Bandhan Bank around here, okay, around here 340 rupees, and we also found out that this region will also act as a support. But last day it gave a breakdown, so we analyzed that if the stock goes below this level 346.45, then only we will sell this stock for the target of 340 or this trend line, okay, whichever comes first. If the stock would have given a breakdown around here around 1 p.m., and if it will come towards this trend line, then we will close our short position. This was our analysis, okay. So what happened today? The stock went down, 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 and it gave a breakdown of this level, okay, 340 levels, okay. 340 level, it gave a breakdown below 340. It even moved below that and made a low of 331, 32, okay. And after that the stock gave a good sort of a recovery, okay. So what can happen tomorrow in this stock? Let's see. If the stock takes resistance of this trend line and starts to go towards the downside, then we will short this stock. But we will wait tomorrow for at least 1 hour or at least 30 minutes, and we will see the price action of this stock. If the stock gives breakout above this trend line, blue trend line and red trend line, then only we will go for a buy side trade for the target of 345.46, okay. This green line will act as a resistance tomorrow, okay. So if you want to be precise about it, then you can say that 345 rupees 45 paisa around will act as a resistance tomorrow, okay. If this stock breaks this level 341, if it gives a breakout above this level 342, then only we will go for the target of 345.45 paisa. Or if the stock gives a breakout above this level also, then we can take target of 348 also, okay. So this was my analysis about Bandhan Bank. Thank you for watching.